So the side towards the wind and the rain, it's a little bit damp. As you can see, that's a little damp, and the water is coming through a little bit. So this is all wet, guys, right on the side, like all along the edge, because this is the side where the rain's actually coming towards. Morning, guys. Just woke up at 𝐒𝐻𝐃 campsite on Fraser Island. Last night was one of the craziest rainy nights we've ever camped in, actually, and the rain just didn't stop for, I think it was must have been at least 24 hours. The rain just didn't stop. Everything's wet, at least the awning's still up. We hardly slept, but it's time to go home because it's the end of Easter holidays, because I think today's Monday, isn't it? I think today's Monday, yeah. So we have to board the barge around 5 PM, but we have a bit of time to kind of spare. So we'll probably just cook some breakfast and see some of the sights we didn't see properly. The shipwreck, we didn't have a look at that colourful coast that everyone always talks about. So we're going to do that again, and hopefully the rain will stay at bay today.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know.
Alright guys, so I have had a few questions regarding how I set up the solar panel on my roof in terms of wiring, so I'm just going to go through that really quickly for you guys. So as you can see, that's the 150 watt solar panel right there. The wire is coming down on the little rack I've made. It comes down, and it goes under here. Alright, it goes under here. All I've done is hang on, let me adjust this so you guys can see it. If you can see that, guys, that's a little bit of a hook that I made. It's a metal hook, and that just hooks under the rack, and then the excess bit of wire goes around here, okay, and that's just the little.
Here you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
Guys, we're just having coffee at, what's this place called?
This is just, I don't even know actually.
Yeah, we forgot, but yeah, just a bit of a stopover.
If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing.
Okay.
Guys, caught this small fish. Very, very small. I'll put him back, but I'm very happy that I caught one fish today at Fraser Island, even though it was a really small one, but beautiful little guy. guys, we're just boarding the barge to go back to mainland Australia, and we're really tired right now. Didn't get much sleep at all. We feel just dead. We need to wash the car and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, babe, how do you feel?
Yeah, it's been a good trip. We're happy we did this trip instead of being at home, but it's just been really hard, like mentally. It's been cold and raining. Oh, not really cold, but just raining.
Yeah, exactly. So we'll see you guys really soon. This is the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.